morning, welcome to Truck Smart. My name is Carl. Today I'd like to show you this brand new 2024 Isuzu NPR HD. This truck is equipped with a 14-foot Rockport service utility body. This particular truck has a 6.6-liter gas V8 engine, 350 horsepower, 425 pound-feet of torque. Made it to a 6-speed automatic transmission. The Isuzu cab-over design makes for outstanding frontward visibility as well as great maneuverability in a tight environment. Doors open fully to an 85-degree angle for easy access. The truck is fully equipped: power steering, power brakes, anti-lock brakes, power windows, door locks, cruise control, tilt and telescopic steering column. Seating for 3 is included. This truck is equipped with a 14-foot service body made by Rockport. There are 5 cabinets on each side. It's a double cabinet up front. Adjustable shelves in each one. And access from inside the body to the horizontal cabinets. This truck has integrated rear ladders to help you access the rooftop mounted ladder racks. Has a Chicago style step bumper, very helpful for getting in and out, especially with your hands full. This truck is equipped with a receiver hitch and has a 6,000 pound towing capacity. The rear door is a 70-30 split. And you have a full 50 inches between the toolboxes. Translucent roof gives you lots of daylight, makes it easy to work. There are also 2 LED lights included, and those are your access panels for inside your toolbox. The shelves are adjustable for height on both sides. And all the boxes in this, including the rear doors, work on remotes. So remote locking. This Isuzu has a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and a 5-year, 75,000 mile powertrain warranty. If you don't see something that you like on our website, we have a 21,000 square foot facility where we can custom build a great variety of different trucks. This month, for breast cancer awareness, a portion of the proceeds of the sale of every truck this month will go to breast cancer research. And there is a pink tag on almost every truck on the lot that have been discounted this month for breast cancer awareness. So thank you so much. My name's Carl. My number is 215-828-1572. If you have any questions, please give me a call.